Fellas, what's going on? We're going to discuss an email that I received from a subscriber, a loyal subscriber at that, and he just has one question. Why is his big beard not getting any love? So you know how we do. We're going to keep this guy's information private, but we should give him a name. Y'all yell some names at me at the screen. Let's see. Who on the Knicks is killing it lately? My man Jalen Brunson. So let's snap this email on the screen from our man Jalen, go through it together and see why his big old beard is not getting any love out here in these streets. Alright guys, so this email is titled The Big Beard Experience. Hey Hef, enjoy the content on your channel. I recently watched 5 things you must know before growing a long beard. In the video, you mentioned women either love it or hate it. And guys, I stand by that to this day. As a matter of fact, let me play a little snippet from that video so you have some context as far as what I was saying regarding the topic. They either love it or hate it, and if they really love it, they love it. So if you're a fella that likes to play the numbers game, those are some numbers you might want to, you know what I'm saying. Damn, my brother was looking a little rough back then. Man, I remember that was last year, about 2021 around this time, like November. And let's just say I didn't learn about fading out the beard and all that at that point, you know what I'm saying? But I digress. I was curious if you had any negative experiences and reactions outside of the East Coast area in public. Okay, so you're pretty much asking if when I travel away from the tri-state area, if I get any negative reactions. Okay. I have a full beard as well, probably a third length of yours, and I also receive the attention. Okay, however, it mostly doesn't seem positive, or I don't interpret it that way. I am mostly referring to whites and Asians. Okay, so the brother, and I don't know his ethnicity, but he's bringing a little bit of a racial component into this as well. I live in the San Francisco Bay Area, and the response usually comes off as laughter, shock, or disgust. Out of the 5 years of having my beard, I can only count a handful of times when a man complimented me and asked me about the product that I use. Have you ever experienced these types of negative experiences? Okay, we're gonna have to break this one down, family. Let's get into it. So Jalen, first things first, yes, I do travel. I do travel a lot, actually. I've been to London. I've been to the West Coast where you are at the Bay. I've been to damn near every Caribbean island at this point. So, now, do I experience what you experience? I do at times. You know, there is some laughter, there's some shock, there might be a little disgust. But the thing with me though, and I'm gonna break these down into 3 main components, it doesn't faze me one bit. Number 1 is confidence. Confidence is king. And especially if you're growing a big old beard, which is not the norm, you gotta be a confident brother to rock this style. Now, the thing about confidence, I've always been a confident dude, even before I've had a beard. And in general, as you guys know, you're watching a beard video on a beard channel. Growing out your beard is one of the top things you can do to increase your confidence as a man. So, as a confident man, you should have the mindset already in you, like, who gives a damn if that shorty over there or some dude over there is pointing, laughing, walk by you in disgust or whatever? You should be on that type of flow where you're like, who gives a damn? I know I'm rocking this shit and I'm that dude, so it is what it is. Every single one of you guys who follow me and have been watching me for some time, you should be working out, smelling good, dressing well, and just overall being the best version of yourself that you possibly can be. Number two, Mr. Jalen, you did state in your email that you are able to grow a full healthy beard. That in itself puts you in your own category. Guys, you have to take a step back. Again, a lot of you guys already have beards if you're watching me, and then there's some guys who don't have beards who are aspiring to be able to grow and get tips to achieve a beard. The percentage of guys who actually have full beards is not that high. You might have to chalk it up to maybe he's just kind of feeling some type of way that he cannot grow what you have. So if you see a dude kind of having a negative reaction or giving you some sort of negative vibe, you gotta kind of chalk it up to, man, this brother's probably just jealous because I got this nice, healthy, luscious beard that the ladies like, and he's over there in straggle beard land. All right, that's the mindset you have to have. Number three is perspective. Now, you said it yourself in your email that you could possibly be interpreting these things as negative. And you know what? I think you're onto something there. Some people really aren't aware of their facial expressions whenever they're in some sort of thought or anything like that. She could literally be sitting there daydreaming about your beard, not aware of her facial expressions at all, and you're here thinking, oh my God, why is she so disgusted with my beard? Kind of change your mindset, alter it a little bit, and try to think more positively, because it very well could be just that. So Jalen, keep your head high, stay confident, stay bearded, and those positive interactions that you seek will find you, my friend. Fellas, if you have some words of encouragement for our good brother Jalen, some advice, some first-hand experience, anything you want to share on a topic, throw them in that comment section below. Would love to start the discussion and help a subscriber out. But anyway, guys, until next time, you know who it is, the Bearded Hefner. Peace out, y'all.